Hey guys, I am going to start videos about story time. Not like about, but doing story time with me, Gracie Batalis. Um, so this story is about when I was in elementary school, and I was like about in first or second grade. Um, and I was like so excited that exact day since we had reading, but we had to have partners, not like the whole day, but read with partners. When I heard about it, I'm like, yay! Okay, let's start with the story. Okay, one day I just went to school and we were doing school stuff. And then we were doing reading. And I chose one of my best friends to read with me. And her name was Brianna Mosquito, I think it was her last name. It's been a long time. I mean, I moved from that elementary school. But anyways, we chose a spot by the bathroom. And you cannot believe what happened. So we were just reading, and then like 5-10 minutes later, and these were the classroom bathrooms. We were near the classroom bathrooms. We decided to go there. And from the boys' bathroom, we heard talking. And it was like whispering. We didn't hear the words, but man, it was creepy. And wait, it was the girls' bathroom. Never mind. But anyways, it was creepy. We looked inside, no one was there. And we didn't know if someone was there by this one thing hanging off the knob. Tell if you're in the bathroom or not. If it's off the knob, you're in the bathroom. If it's on the knob, you're not in the bathroom. But anyways, we checked it out and no one was in there. Creepy, right? I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? And my best friend was like, okay, that's so creepy. Should we tell the teacher? I'm like, no, let's just keep this a secret. I don't want any more creepy stuff happening. And then we told each other like scary stories, and then it's like almost everybody was done reading, and I'm like, okay, we better start reading. And so we just read some more, and it never came back. Never. And it was like almost the starting of the school year too. And through the whole school year, we only heard that once. No other times. I'm like, okay, that's getting more creepier. And I wondered what happened. It was like, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. God help me. Anyways. Yeah. Creepy, isn't it? If you like this, like. And if you don't, I don't really care if you dislike. And so, if you want to check out other videos of mine, just, type in Gracie Batalis on the YouTube search, and then you'll find my videos. Please watch my other videos and like and subscribe.